ready? You say hello first. Hello, everyone. Hi. So, today, we are going to open this. What is this? Yeah, we are going to open. What color is this? Color?
Red.
Red. Yeah, you can see red. So, today, open natin. This one is a learning writing board. What is this? Board. A, B, C, D, so? Good. A, D, E. Oo, saan na yung song mo? E, F, H, I, K. Yeah. L, M, N, O, Q, S, T, U, W. It's difficult to open. Letters and numbers. Ayan. We also have whiteboard. And yes. And para siyang blackboard. Hindi siya simpleng blackboard. And then what else do we have? What else do we have? Stand. Tapos, we also have this set. Merong inside, we have mini eraser. We also have like a para marker. Pwede mo siyang charot lang. Charot. Yan. May magnet. And then, what else do we have? What's this? Chalk. And yung mga tools. Ano nga to, Dad? Nuts.
Nuts and ball.
Nuts and ball. Oh, what color is this, Ire? Color?
Red.
Very good. So, while Daddy is assembling yung ating blackboard, Iro, mag-letters muna tayo dito. Okay. So, what letter is this?
A.
Good. This one?
B.
This one?
C. D.
This one?
E. F. D.